Dear students, welcome to 8th Standard CBSE Geography class. Today, in this class, I am going to take unit number 3, Mineral and Power Resources. Dear students, do you know what is mineral and power resources? Let's discuss in this topic. In the beginning of the lesson, they have given one conversation between Kiri and Sukant. They were in the native place of near Dhanbad. Kiri was amazed to see that the large areas were black and asked Sukant why those places looking so black and dusty. And Sukant replied that because of the coal mine nearby. Do you see the trucks? They are carrying the mineral coal. Like that he asked the Kiri. This is the picture of uploading of a truck in a coal mine. Because of this reason, because of mining, the areas looked like black and dusty. Then Kiri asked what are minerals. She did not know what is mineral. And Sukant replied that, have you ever seen baker baking the biscuits? The flour, milk, sugar and sometimes eggs are mixed together. While eating the baked biscuits, can you see these ingredients separately? He asked the question like that. So this is the biscuit. While baking these biscuits, we have to mix these ingredients like flour, milk and sugar, sometimes egg also. After baking the biscuits, we unable to separate these. We unable to see those ingredients separately like sugar, flour, milk, egg, etc. Is it? Like that, in our earth's surface also, we have so many minerals, so many materials. It is found in the rocks. These are called minerals. It mixed in the rocks. These minerals are scattered throughout the earth rocky crust. So then, what is mineral? What do you mean by mineral? A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. Mineral means it is a naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition. Okay. Minerals are not evenly distributed over space. They are concentrated in a particular area or rock formations. Some minerals are found in the areas which are not easily accessible, such as the Arctic Ocean bed and Antarctica. And minerals are formed in different types of geological environments under varying conditions. They are created by natural process without any human interference. They can be identified on the basis of their physical properties such as color, density, hardness and chemical properties such as solubility. Then we'll come to the types of minerals. There are over 3,000 different minerals. On the basis of composition of minerals are classified mainly as two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals. See the figure. The minerals classified into two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals. The metallic minerals again divided into two types, ferrous and non-ferrous. Then what do you mean by the metallic minerals? Metallic minerals means minerals contain metal in raw form is called metallic minerals. The minerals contain metal in raw form is a metallic mineral. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristics luster or shine. For example, iron ore, bauxite, manganese are the metallic minerals. And the metallic minerals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. Again, the metallic minerals are divided into two types, ferrous or non-ferrous. Ferrous minerals like iron ore, manganese and chromite contain iron. Ferrous minerals means the minerals contain iron. For example, iron ore, manganese, chromite, etc. A non-ferrous mineral does not contain iron but may contain some other metals such as gold, silver, copper or lead, etc. Okay. Then come to the non-metallic minerals. Minerals do not contain metals. Non-metallic minerals means the minerals do not contain the metals. Metallic minerals means the minerals contain the metal in raw form. Non-metallic minerals means the minerals do not contain metals. For example, limestone, mica and gypsum are the non-metallic minerals. So these are the limestone, mica, gypsum are the non-metallic minerals. Then minerals can be extracted by the mining, drilling or the quarrying. Extraction of the minerals, mining, drilling and quarrying. The mining is further divided into two types, open cast mining and shaft mining. Okay. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. What is mining? Mining means it is a process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface. Minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken, but by removing the surface layer is known as open cast mining. Open cast mining means minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer. Okay. Then deep bores called shafts have to be made to reach mineral deposits that lie at great depths. So shaft mining means deep bores called shafts. Okay, have to be made to reach mineral deposits that lie at great depths of the earth. This is called shaft mining. Okay, petroleum and natural gas occur far below the earth's surface. The petroleum and natural gas occur far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out. So this is called drilling. So what do you mean by drilling? Deep wells are bored to take the petroleum and natural gas. It occurs far below the earth's surface is called drilling. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as quarrying. Some minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out. Okay, this process is called quarrying. So these are the mining, open cast mining and shaft mining, drilling and quarrying. The extraction of minerals are mining, drilling and quarrying. The mining is further divided into open cast mining and shaft mining. Okay. Let's revise. A naturally occurring substance that has a definite chemical composition is a mineral. There are over 3,000 different minerals. On the basis of composition, minerals are classified into two types, metallic and non-metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in raw form. Example, iron ore, bauxite, manganese, etc. Some metallic minerals do not contain metals. Example, limestone, mica, gypsum, etc. The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. In the mining, we have three types: mining, drilling and quarrying. The extraction of the minerals. So the mining is divided into two types: open cast mining and also the shaft mining. So I hope you all got this. Thank you, students.